Join the parade. Understanding a common English phrase. Hello everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, join the parade. This is a common expression in English, often used in various contexts. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just its meaning, but also how to use it in your daily conversations. Join the parade is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to become part of a popular activity or movement, often one that has already gained a lot of attention or support. It suggests following a trend or joining others in an activity that is currently popular. The origin of join the parade comes from the literal idea of joining a parade, a public procession, usually celebratory in nature. In this context, it metaphorically means joining others in something that is already in progress and being a part of a larger group or movement. 1. In a social context, if your friends are talking about a new popular TV series and you start watching it too, you're joining the parade. 2. In a business context, when a company starts adopting sustainable practices because it's a growing trend, the company is joining the parade of sustainability. Similar phrases include, jump on the bandwagon, or follow the crowd. These phrases also indicate participating in popular trends or activities but may have slightly different connotations or usage contexts. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, join the parade, confidently in your English conversations. Remember, it's all about becoming part of a larger trend or movement. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English skills.